Okay, I don't know how to put this, and this might sound weird, but I I I got off of work a couple of hours ago, and I've been in my room. I just been on YouTube and everything, and I was just looking at videos and stuff. But I am freaking out right now because I've been in my room. I heard something, but I didn't think it was anything. But you won't believe what happened. So, okay, look, I'm just gonna show you. So we're gonna go ahead. I'll show you. Let me just open this door. Okay, so we're going over here. Don't mind the mess and everything, but look. Oh, okay. You can't see nothing right now, so let me turn the light on. Oh my God. Okay, look. This. Okay, so I'm in my living room right now, and I'm just gonna show you this part right here. Okay, I don't know what's going on because you, this right here. I don't know where the heck that came from. It was a window, but this is right here, and as you can see, we have a dirty couch right here, right? Okay, well there was another couch right here, but it's gone. The only thing that's here right now is a single bed, and I don't know where this came from. Honestly, I think this is actually, judging from how everything's Indian related, this is probably an Indian's bed right here. I'm not sure. But what is this? What's going on? Like, what is happening here? Oh, like, I don't know what's going on. When I got here, there was a couch and my window was showing, but now it's gone. I think there's someone in there. I heard something. Hello? Oh my God.